Hello. In this video we're going to show you how to pay down an outstanding purchase invoice from a supplier on your Xero account. To do this, what we do is we can go through the contacts option at the top menu. We can click on suppliers, and once loaded up, if you know which supplier it is that you're going to pay off, let's say for example it's called subcontractor A in this example, click on subcontractor A. And then what we do is we're presented with all the outstanding invoices for this supplier. We can basically choose this one. So if, for example, this one's the one that came out of the bank, say a couple of days ago, or we want to pay today, just click on that reference. That will then present you with what's outstanding and the invoice in question. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that there's a payment option down here. So it typically defaults to the full purchase invoice value. Let's say you wanted to part pay this, you're more than welcome to sort of type in £500 instead of the 1,000. All it needs then is a date and which account it's paid from. So let's say, for example, we were going to pay it, it came out of the bank on Friday, and which account did it actually come out of? So we'll say the business current account. You know, if you've got one or two different bank accounts there, choose them at this point. And any particular reference that you wanted to put in there just against that payment. But for this example, all we'd have to do now is click Add Payment. And what that will do is actually create a £500 expense or payment, and it will go out of your bank account on Xero, and it would reduce the amount of money that you owe to subcontractor A by £500. So if we just clicked on subcontractor A, that will just bring up the default, and we can go to their account. And you can see now that the amount due on subcontractor A's account for that particular invoice is only £500 as opposed to 1,000 because we have paid off 500. So yeah, that's just one way of paying down a particular purchase invoice on Xero. There are other ways. If we go into the importing functionality, you sort of bring in the payment in through the bank, and then you're saying this £500 goes against that invoice, rather than finding the invoice and then marking down how much money's been paid off it. So I hope that's helped, guys. If not, please feel free to give us a shout. More than happy to help. Thanks for watching.